Whether you are a barber or not, this is one of the easiest haircut tutorials anyone can follow. I hope you guys are excited. Now let's jump right into the tutorial. The first thing you need to do before you start cutting is comb your client's or your friend's hair. Comb and stretch it out to avoid any tangles. This is especially necessary for curly black hair. Now with my clipper already in hand, I'm dragging the handle to the full lever position. As you can see, I'm starting slightly below the C curve to create my first guideline and taking my time to ensure this guideline is as straight as possible. Behind the ear, make sure the guideline is as low as possible for this type of fade because the fading space is very small. Here, I begin my fading process with a 1.5 guard and the lever is fully closed. As you can see, I'm creating a large fading perimeter. The reason I'm doing it in this way is to ensure that all the guards stop beneath the perimeter. In this next step, there is not much to do. I'm basically using a flicking motion to blend the side into the top with a 1.5 guard and lever fully open. At the top, I'm continuing the process by cutting with the grain. I will go back and forth to ensure everything is evenly cut. Now with a 1 guard and the lever fully open, I'm using a felling down technique. I'm not worried about the book at the top. I will fix that later. Don't focus too much on the book at first because sometimes after fading, you may realize that isn't any book at all. Now halfway through, I'm going about a 1/4 inch beneath my previous position, taking my time to avoid pushing the fade too high. Here the lever is fully closed and as you can see, I'm just hitting the line to soften it before coming back in with my 0 guard. Now I come in with my 0 guard and the lever halfway closed, which is my sweet spot. I'm detailing the entire panel, making sure everything looks nice and neat. You can see that the book part is gone and the fade is looking good, but there is still a need for detailing. Here I come in with a 1 guard and the lever fully open. I will be switching between halfway and fully closed. This is just a basic detail process. I'm using my eyes and the mirror to identify key points. Take your time. This is one of the trickiest parts of a haircut. Guys, if this video helped you in any way, please let me know in the comment section. And if there is a specific haircut you do like to see, let's continue the conversation in the comments. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. Thanks for checking this out. I will see you in the next video.